My name is Roy Price from Jointing Ltd. My role is Electrical Contracts Manager, and we're here today at Murray Place in Kaipoi replacing 2 streetlight poles with new modern steel poles for the Waimakariri District Council. Jointing Ltd have a really good relationship with Waimakariri District Council, and we have had for many years now. The reason we use galvanised steel poles over concrete poles is life expectancy and also safer. We replaced the lamps with LEDs because the old HPS lamps are becoming out of date. They use more power, the LEDs are much more efficient, and they have better control of light distribution onto the road. Another part of our team's programme today is to replace an old HPS light fitting with a new LED luminaire in wood end. To replace the LED, we use a MEWP, which is a mobile elevated work platform, or more commonly known as a cherry picker. Safety is important to power jointing because we all like to go home to our wives and families every night. Safety is a big part of power jointing culture. We're confident that our team can do these jobs day in, day out to a very high standard. Me personally, and I think as a team for power jointing, we are proud to drive around the streets and see all the upgrades we do with pole replacements and the new LED luminaires that we've put in. And I'd just like to give a big shout out to our team here today and also at Wood End, and thanks to Waimakariri District Council for providing us with this work.